Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is BUILDSKILL 7.5 meter measuring tape. So let's get started. So the MRP of this measuring tape is rupees 389, but I got it from Amazon for just 289 rupees, and it comes in a vibrant bright yellow and black color. So this black color part here is anti-slip rubber and the yellow part is plastic, hard sturdy plastic. They have also given a belt clip so you can carry it around without worrying about the damage. And this 7.5 meter steel blade is durable. It has clear marking on both meters and inches. Blade thickness is 16 mm, which is decent, and it has the auto lock feature, meaning whatever measurement you take, it stays in place. And it has one click retraction feature. Retracting the tape is quick and smooth with just one click. The steel blade and the ABS case feels solid and built to last, and this non-slip grip, and it feels a little heavy. I mean 335 grams, but that's not a problem. And this tape is also available in 3 meter and 5 meter options. So if you are looking for a reliable, affordable and packed feature measuring tape, this one is a great choice. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.